Hey everyone, it's Earrings by Angela. This is Angela, and today we're going to make this very quick and easy pair of earrings. They are leather, and so if you have a piece of leather like I have, this is called Lateith leather. And what I did was I just cut two even pieces. So you may have this left over from another project. Or you might just have that grab bag of Lateith leather. But it's very simple and easy. We're going to do a very easy wire wrapping technique. And I'm going to show you how to add this dangle at the bottom, which is our turquoise. Yay! Without jump rings, just in case, okay, that you don't have any. And if you don't have any, then watch the video on our how to make your own jump rings. Okay, so let's get started. I love this. I love this look, you guys. I really do. Yes, yes. Okay, let's get started. So you're gonna take your piece of Lateith leather. I chose brown because it's so earthy, and I love that. But whatever colors you have, you can do this with. So we're going to fold it in half like that to make a teardrop shape. And you see, I'm closing that because it's like I need this to be like okay. So I'm using 20 gauge wire, silver. You can use any color you want. And I'm just going to lay it across like this and leave a little tail because that tail is going to help guide me. And I'm just going to slowly wrap this wire against the top because I want to make a loop so that we are able to hang our ear wire. So we're going to go. And I was going to do one more, but I'm lying to myself. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to go to the largest point on the pliers because I want a really big loop. And I'm just going to loop it over like that, right? And then I'm going to continue going downward now with my wraps back towards that bottom, okay? Just like that. And I like the nice messy wrap look. So now I'm going to turn it over to the back. I'm going to grab my wire cutters and I'm just going to cut really close because you see there it is sticking up. Then you bring in the cleaners, which is your flat nose pliers or needle nose, whatever nickname you want to call it. Okay, because everyone has a different name, but this is a squad, so I call it the cleaners because, see, he's cleaning up our messes. And I'm just going to fold that other tail that I had, fold it down, and press it into the leather. So then you want to do the finger test. You want to rub and make sure that it's not going to scrape you because, listen, if you're giving this as a gift or making this as a product, then you definitely do not want anyone to get stuck. So pretend like you're a DJ. Ricket, Ricket. DJ puffing stuff. I'm just playing, y'all. So now we're going to have our turquoise bead. And this is turquoise that you see those brown lines and stuff in there. That's cool. So anything goes wrong, the Native American legend is if anything that goes wrong or was meant wrong for you, you see the cracks here, that means that turquoise took it for you. It got it for you, so you're good. So that's why I'm like, oh, we're making a very peaceful piece. So let's take our wire, our leftover wire, kind of warm it, with the energy in your own hands. And you're going to take your round nose and you're going to make, I want a very little loop, so I'm going to go to the tip because the smaller the loop that you want, then the closer to the tip you're going to get it. So what we actually just did is made an eye pin. So if you have eye pins laying around that you want to use, you can do that, okay? And so we slip our bead on here, or our stone, whatever. Take your round nose, we're going to go to that large spot again, because what I'm going to show you is we just made that loop, right? Ba-dum-bum-bing, da-dum-dum-ding. Okay, so now I want to open it just a little bit because I want to slide. This is what we call a slider when we're doing our, no, you cannot eat this, not that kind of slider. This is what I call a slider when we're making our wire wrap bracelet. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to hold that on the leather and on the wire. And now I'm just going to wrap around. Okay. You can go as much or as little as you want. I think I want to stop here because it feels real good to me. Okay. So now grab your wire cutters and cut close to that. Oh, I love making these tutorials, you guys. I miss being in the classroom though. We'll have live classes soon. I gotta plan that out. Okay, so now you have your dangle, your gemstone of peace. And let me give you a quick tip. So this is leather, right? And you know that there are so many essential oils out there. This can act as one of your essential oils things. So if you just put a couple of drops on the inside of this, then you can have that essential oil smell going for you. Okay, so that's a tip, just in case you're really into that, because I have a friend who just bought a bunch of essential oils that was what am I doing, y'all? Talking. I'm trying to open it. But his doctor actually told him to get them. So that's a thing. So we open this up, right? And we're going to close it just like we would a jump ring. Kind of just close it under that ball or whatever you have. If you made your own ear wires, that's groovy too. And if you want to know how to make your ear wires, then go ahead and look in the description. There's a link in there. So here we go. We've done this in under 10 minutes. And so now you not just have a jazzy pair of leather earrings, right? You also have a new tool that you can use for where to put your essential oils. Okay, remember, put them on the inside, 2 to 3 drops. They should last a couple days, and you can redo that again. And then too, you notice that we did the slider method on these, so that they're not really dangling, right? Our stones are not dangling. If you want them to dangle, just close the loop. Don't make it as a slider. And then just add a dump ring. Oh my gosh, you guys. A jump ring, okay? And it'll be like, pew, 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 pew. Okay, I make noises. So you guys, thanks for creating with me today. And I'm so in love with these. I think I'm going to wear them today. Maybe I'll make them for somebody. But I'm in love with these. Tell me how you like the project. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends who are also crafting creators, and invite them to our family. So that is our project for the day, you guys. Yay, you did it. I'm so excited. I will see you later. Peace out.